May 2018 is here, and what better way to start a new month than our cool new app series. Hi there, this is Mina from TechWiser, and like always, all these applications are fresh and do something out of the box. Let's begin. I'm a big fan of audiobooks, and good news for you, Audible is soon launching in India. But don't get your hopes up, Audiobook has always been an expensive business. And that's where this new application, Audiobook Reader, comes in. This application turns any ebook or a PDF into an audiobook, thus making it much cheaper. But Mrinal, how is it different from all the other text-to-speech engines that are already out there? Well, instead of using the standard text-to-speech engine that all the other apps do, this particular app uses Amazon Polly, which is what Alexa is built upon, thus making the voice sound more natural. But is it any good? Well, listen to this.
It was one January morning, very early, a pinching, frosty morning.
Say if you want to take a selfie in a darker room, since most of the phones don't have front flash, then you are most likely to install a widescreen app from Google Play Store, which will illuminate your face while taking a picture. And it works, if you are able to bypass all the pop-ups that come along with it. But other than that, it doesn't work for third-party camera apps like Instagram, Snapchat, or even video recording. Enter Selfie Flash. Just tap on a button, then your screen will shine bright to serve as a flash for a perfect low-light selfie. And it also works for third-party camera apps as well. Google released a lot of applications that goes unnoticed, and Grasshopper is one of those. There are two major things that stop adults from learning coding. One, they don't get enough time, and second, learning coding is expensive business. And this is the problem Grasshopper tries to solve. The application uses simple quiz which you can access anytime, anywhere. Now, I'm no coder, but I did some programming back in my engineering days, and based on my experience so far, the application does a pretty good job explaining the fundamentals of programming. Overall, I believe everyone should know some programming, not because you will write code or something, but because
it teaches you how to think.
As of now, this application only teaches you JavaScript, though Python would have been a better choice, but for a complete beginner, it doesn't really matter though. If you are buying a flagship in 2018, chances are it will have a notch. And for all those who don't like a notch, well, you have Nacho Notch. So what this application does is, it adds a black line in the status bar, which effectively hides the notch. Overall, it's not for everyone, but if you really hate the notch, well, give it a try. So yeah, this wraps our cool new app series. Let me know which application you are going to try in the comment section below. Like always, I will see you in the next one.